Hello and welcome to Dash Talk with Amanda B. Johnson. This is a weekly show where we interview key players within the Dash ecosystem to find out more about their organizations, who's behind them, and what they have to offer. Today, I am interviewing WhiteBIT, a cryptocurrency exchange, and I am joined by not one, but two members of their team, Artem and Andrew. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
Hello, really glad to see you, Amanda.
Nice to see you as well. So please, let's get started with each of you telling us your role at WhiteBIT.
Yes, so my name is Artem, and I'm a Chief Strategy Officer at WhiteBIT. So I'm responsible for the whole strategy and business development in terms of the company.
Fantastic. And Andrew?
Yep, I'm head of project relations at WhiteBIT. So I'm in charge of basically partnerships, getting in touch and keeping it running with major projects like Dash.
Wonderful. So first of all, let's start by establishing where WhiteBIT is based.
Yeah, so our exchange is based in Ukraine. That's where we are right now with Artem. And we are working under European jurisdiction.
Wonderful. And do you serve customers from just Ukraine and Europe, or where can people use your services?
Yeah, so as an exchange, we are of course operating worldwide, but the majority of our users do come from the European countries and specifically the CIS countries, which include Russia and Ukraine.
Okay, fantastic. And how long has WhiteBIT been around?
We have been live since 2018, so it's been more than 2 years now.
Let's move on to which fiat currencies you all are currently supporting. And not only which fiat currencies do you support, but which Dash trading pairs do you support?
Okay. So currently we are supporting trading pairs with US dollar, euro, Russian ruble, and Ukrainian hryvnia on our exchange. And also there is an opportunity to buy cryptocurrencies and withdraw them directly through our partner merchants. And we also support right now Indonesian rupiah, Korean won, Japanese yen, Turkish lira, Great Britain pound, and also Argentine peso. And if we are talking about Dash, so we have Dash trading against BTC, ETH, and US dollar. But in the nearest future, we are looking to expand this list with a number of these pairs as we introduce like new fiat currencies, such as LATAM currencies, probably. So we will also make an announcement about it in the nearest future, I hope.
LATAM currencies, wow, that's exciting. And
Yeah.
also, am I saying it correctly? Is it the Ukrainian hryvnia? Hryvnia?
Yep, that's right.
Well, that's very exciting. Excellent. So moving on, my third question for you all is, I understand that when WhiteBIT integrated Dash, you also integrated the instantsend and ChainLocks features. So why did you choose to do this?
Yeah, so Dash has been listed on WhiteBIT basically since the start, because like Dash is among those cryptocurrencies that you just must have when launching an exchange, obviously. But approximately half a year ago, I would say, we started to launch a wave of some marketing expansion aimed at partnering with the key players in the market. And so among others, we reached out to Dash, and in terms of this partnership, the first step would be to integrate instantsend and ChainLocks, and seeing the demand for it and seeing that it really makes the experience of users easier, we just went along with it, and it's been great.
And so what does that mean? Does that, to my understanding, it means when a Dash deposit comes into WhiteBIT, it's available to go pretty much immediately. And then is that the same for withdrawals? They're instant send when withdrawn as well?
Yep, exactly. So it's really lightning fast.
It sounds lightning fast. Very good. All right. So how many registered users do you all have at this time approximately?
Yes, so I guess at this stage we have more than 200,000 registered users on our platform. and I guess more than 30,000 traders who are really active and do some day-to-day operations on the exchange. So pretty nice numbers in my opinion. And we are also doing like a lot of marketing campaigns right now to like provoke these users and giving them like different benefits from trading. So I guess we will increase this number like in the nearest several months.
Mm-hmm. And then what is your average daily trading volume?
And the trading volume currently stands around $290 million.
Okay,
Yeah,
so, please continue.
If I may, yeah, in terms of trading volume, approximately 70% of that comes from crypto-to-crypto trading, and the other 30 come from crypto to fiat.
Okay, so that's good to know. And now I understand that you either are offering Dash staking or intend to offer Dash staking. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so we have a feature, a service on our exchange, which is called Smart Staking. Yeah, and the basic how it operates is that a user is able to deposit some amount of an asset, hold it there for a regulated period of time, and then receive it back with interest. And currently we are supporting this service with USDT and some other currencies from our partner projects. And Dash is next on the list, so we'll be integrating Dash staking. I guess it's going to happen in the next 2 weeks. So
wow,
yep.
So that's soon. Okay,
Yep.
and now in addition to staking, are there any other products or services on your future roadmap aside from what you have now? And will Dash be added into those?
Yes, so that's a really good question. So in our roadmap is a full of exciting features coming soon, and the one happening soonest would be probably the margin trading and the launch of futures and P2P platforms for our customers. And regarding the Dash, our partnerships is still like at the beginning and it's early stages. So it's safe to say that WhiteBIT will support the Dash ecosystem in future. So I believe we will add Dash to many of our products in our ecosystem, and we will build really deep collaboration.
All right. And now let's shift gears a little bit. I understand you've held a competition recently. Tell me what that competition was and I guess how it worked out.
Yes. So in the course of the partnership that we have been doing with Dash, last month we launched a major competition done through our partner platform, which is called WinPlay. And the main idea behind it is it's a gamified platform that allows users to receive reward for performing some actions. And it not only rewards people, but also educates them. So while you perform tasks, you also learn more about the project. And like that was our main goal while setting up this campaign, to learn, to let people know more about Dash and WhiteBIT, the nature of our partnership, and like why both of our services are great to use.
And how many people participated?
Yeah, so it ended just this Wednesday, and we now can say that all in all there was more than 7,500 participants.
Wow.
Yep.
And this was for submitting videos and essays. 7,500 people did this.
Exactly. Yeah, not all of those people did submit content, but as a result, we are still in the process of checking and validation. Right. So yeah, I probably should mention that like the main idea of this competition was to let people make videos and write articles about Dash and WhiteBIT, and in this way we got a lot of really exciting content, and people really had to go out there and do their homework and study the projects. So there were some good items.
Okay, so obvious question: how many winners will there be for this contest, and when do we get to find out? When they're announced?
Yeah, so the competition itself offers 200 prizes. Wow. With the grand prize of the PS4 gaming platform. Yeah, so like the idea behind that was what else to reward people with at the time of quarantine, where everybody's sitting at home, than with gaming devices and crypto. Yeah, so that was just perfect.
And so you would say the first prize was the PS4, and then the other prizes are Dash denominations.
Yep.
And yeah,
Exactly.
those do seem like quarantine-friendly prizes.
Yeah.
Okay, so then my final question is, I've heard that you may have something coming, like some things coming up in the future, like social media engagement type things that anybody who's interested in like competitions or other such things may want to be involved with. So will you finish out by giving us a heads up about what you might have coming up?
Yes, so probably we definitely are going to keep promoting this partnership that we have with Dash, using all the tools and connections that we have available on our ecosystem and manage to build up. And I believe that there will be more and other WinPlay competitions, and one of them is currently in the discussion stage. The launching of staking is coming soon, and more importantly, that we'll doing an AMA session on the Dash Telegram channel in order to tell you more about what's next, and the date and time of this event will be announced soon. And obviously, for the best questions, we'll receive some prizes. So keep your eyes open for this one too.
Well, fantastic. So an AMA and another potential competition. Well, gentlemen, thanks so much for joining me today. It was great to learn more about WhiteBIT. And that is all we have for you this week. See you next time.